These are the remotes of my 2005 Mahindra Scorpio. These remotes use A23 batteries. The newer Scorpios use a button cell, I think CR2032. The remote looks similar, but the newer ones use a button cell. Lately the batteries in these remotes are acting up and I have to be very near to the Scorpio for the remotes to work. Once I change the batteries, it should be back to normal. Last time I could not find the right size, which is A23. So I bought A27 batteries, which are 0.3 mm shorter in length and 2.3 mm shorter in diameter. Length is fine, but for diameter I had to wrap the A27 batteries with a paper and used it temporarily. I think A27 batteries are widely available in India than A23, and even those seem to be fake and are going dead in a few months, while the original batteries should last at least a couple of years. I got these Energizer A23 batteries from Amazon.com for around $5. When I bought these, there was no choice on Amazon India other than GP batteries, most of which seemed to be fake. Now when I checked Amazon India, Duracell batteries are also available. So I suggest you go for them even though they are expensive, because you don't want the cheap batteries to leak and damage the remote. To open the remote, remove the one screw that's at the back. There are clips holding the front and back together. Pry open the remote and you can access the battery. Pop out the old battery and insert the new one, noting the polarity. If you notice any leak, clean the terminals properly, preferably with isopropyl alcohol, before putting the new batteries. Batteries may seem like they will slide off, but once the remote is assembled back, they will stay in place. After the batteries are replaced, my remotes are working like new again. I don't have to struggle with the buttons anymore. You can find the links to these batteries in the description. That's all in this short video. Do hit like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other channel, UnBoX NatioN, linked in the description. Thank you and have a great day.